domestic, non-electrical water purifier goes to Pani Ka Doctor, Eureka Forbes, Aqua Shore Amrit. I request Mr. Marzeen Shroff and team to please come up to receive this award. And they have also won yet another award, which is Distinguished Complete Domestic Water Solutions Provider, which also goes to Eureka Forbes Limited. Congratulations on winning both the awards. Congratulations. Congratulations. If they don't treat their wastewater, our lands will become contaminated, and they do it with perfection. So the green and the blues remain pure. The best water treatment project, industrial, goes to Sterlite Cooper, a unit of Sterlite Industries, or popularly known as Vedanta. Congratulations. I request Mr. Darshan Gundavar, sir, to please come up to receive this award.
Davos 2012, the World Economic Forum, completely snowed in, not just with the number of people attending and the social organizations here to protest, but 3 feet of snow and more coming. We're going to bring you live for ET Now all big debates, the big voices, and every single Indian perspective that you're looking for. Keep it here with ET Now with Davos and its coverage.
Brought to you by Reliance 3G. Switch to Reliance for the fastest 3G experience. The Honda City, exceptional like you.
Air India has to become competitive. It has to follow the industry norms. Time to take decisions in this ministry is short. Like in some ministries, you take a decision for 5 years, nobody would even know what you have done.
Catch Ajit Singh in an exclusive conversation on ET Interview, only on ET Now.
Hello and welcome to the 7th episode of HSBC's Wealth Masterclass.
Outside the top cities, the next 10 cities are going to see a sale of property to the tune of 18,000 crore next year alone.
Real estate as an investment class has exceeded even what the stock markets have been able to deliver.
Brought to you by HSBC.
Ladies and gentlemen, time now for the most looked forward panel discussion. And I request Dr. R.K. Khandal, Director, Shriram Laboratories, to please come up. Sri Sandeep Somani, President of PhD Chamber, along with Dr. Atul Mittal, Professor, IIT Delhi, Mr. Ravindra Seva, Country Representative of Safe Water Network, as well to join us.
I am privileged to be sitting among the most notable water experts of the country. So I'll start with the professor, that in the water sector industry, how can we make people more available for the whole sector so that, like IT industry, we can probably be the source or the hub of skills for the whole world.
What India has not done in last 50 years, you say number of projects, the total value of capital works which we are doing in last 5 years has been more than what we did in last 50 years. Any industry which sees this kind of exponential growth is bound to face a manpower crunch or that kind of a challenge. And I would see that some of the companies, I am coming here for last 6 years as you are coming, that who are in the water, they are not also coming to wastewater and sewerage. So if we have this kind of synergy in the sector, which will in a way will help in pooling the expertise and working together, the way I see the profile for, let's say, WEPCOs. WEPCOs does mind-boggling, everything is there under their umbrella. That kind of approach is probably going to help us.
My next question goes to Mr. Khandal. What are the focus areas of water quality and how we can improve upon it and while using the recycling?
I am, besides being, the head of an institute which is doing on quality, I am also basically a farmer. There were some farmers who came here and they got the awards. I just want to share with you some basic knowledge which our forefathers used to have. I come from a village. There were people who came from Banaskantha and got the award. I come from a village where the water is a scarcity. You know what our forefathers used to do? Go to the villages of Haryana, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. When they used to dig a well, the first thing they used to do is plant a peepal tree. And you know very well that the peepal tree is the one which is considered as a god in all the Hindus. All the women, they go and put the puja of people. The idea was, the complete lifestyle was related to conserving water. Because the last drop and the first drop of rain, if it falls on the peepal tree, it directly goes into the groundwater and raises the water table of the ground well. Can you imagine? This basic knowledge we are forgetting. For God's sake, the wash basin water. Wash basin water, why the hell it should go to the sewage water? Why should it go and combine there? Why can't we have dual system of piping in the houses so that whatever dirty water which can be used, which is not actually dirty, we declared it dirty, but it is not dirty. Why should it go to sewage? These are the issues of quality. All the dirt which we want to clean with water, for God's sake, avoid it.
I would like to invite Mr. Joseph to come on the chair and take this session on. And other session, there were a couple of questions which were asked to me by some industry representatives with regards to the drinking water. Here, Dr. Khandal, I would like to reiterate about it. The purification technologies, the home water purifiers, because we all know the thing very, very fact, whether in urban landscape or rural landscape, home water purifiers are becoming mandatory because of toxicity due to the use of excessive ureas. And Punjab, the Malwa range exactly has been coming under scanner for a long time. We would like to have certain suggestions. So over to you, Ravi, once again. And Joseph, please come up.
So welcome, Joseph. He is from WSP, the World Bank.
Yep.
And World Bank has a lot of experience with managing the water sectors or advising a lot of countries on water management principles. So, Ravi?
Thank you for the opportunity. Just a few thoughts. WSP did a study a couple of years back, primarily to look at what would be the economic loss to the country on account of inadequate or poor sanitation. And these were primarily from second-aggregator sources. And the study was just completed last year, and the results were quite astounding, that the loss to the country, this is India, would be in the order of about rupees 2.5 trillion. And if you were to translate that to equivalent in terms of GDP loss, it would be equivalent to about 6.4% of the GDP. That's quite enormous and quite startling. And when you start to analyze what could be done to reduce these losses, primarily one needs to look at the amount of wastewater which is generated in this country. And if you look at just the urban areas, less than 15% of all the wastewater which is generated is treated to levels which are safe for disposal. So we have a long way to go. It's not as though that money has not been spent. Quite a lot of infrastructure has been put in place, but as much as infrastructure has been created, there has been very little thought given to the maintenance of this infrastructure, with the result that the infrastructure gets to disuse and the same infrastructure gets created again. I think the government needs to give some push towards the private sector, and I think organizations such as the PHED or CII or FICCI should take a lead in promoting this and taking this as a group to the government and say, hey, we have the technology, we have the resources, and we'll be able to implement. And I think there is a will, and I'm saying there is a way to show things as well. Thank you.
Thanks, Ravi. I would like Mr. Somani to express his views.
The issue with the water sector specifically is that I don't think, other than a few small schemes that have happened in various parts of the country, and where the private sector has done a good job, I don't think it is on the top of mind recall of the government at all to look at privatizing water. That's the fundamental problem. It's only when the government decides, like they have decided many years ago, that we will make the road on private partnership basis. So roads are coming. There has to be a will, and that has to be forced by the government. The problem with the government policies today is that they are like the old European dance which was called the waltz. So you go one step forward and two steps backwards. So that environment is not conducive for investment in any sector. So I hope I have dealt with the issue.
Thank you, Mr. Somani. In fact, with the views of most of all the water experts on the panel, and with all the awards that Water Digest had initiated, I only can summarize the discussion in a very small way by saying there is room for improvement as far as water conservation is concerned. There is room where we can value water more, either by pricing it or by culturally, as it has been seen by most of Rajasthan over thousands of years, and that's how they survive. Or emulating various other countries who are bringing best practices and are using those and demonstrating it very, very efficiently. We need to bring this particular ethos to this particular sector so that water is valued again, each individual gets safe drinking water, and in the process, as Mr. Khandal had said, we do not pollute the environment or the rivers. And thank you all for listening in.
गोल का भाव बड़ी तेजी से भाग रहे ना
Always thinking markets. ET Now.
ये सारे घर EMI प्रूफ हैं. EMI प्रूफ. EMI मतलब कई साल लोन चुकाने तक घर बैंक का, और EMI प्रूफ का मतलब EMI के बाद जब घर आपका हो जाता है तब भी घर रहेगा मजबूत, नए जैसा. और घरों को EMI प्रूफ बनाने के लिए हम जैसे इंजीनियर्स को चाहिए ताकत.
अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट, द इंजीनियर्स चॉइस, क्योंकि इस सीमेंट में जान है.
आ जाओ. हाँ, आपको तो आदत है. आदत क्यों? लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कितने का है?
3 लाख.
दिखते तो 30 लाख के और इंश्योरेंस तो 3 लाख का.
हाँ, तो
क्या लगता है जरूरत पड़ने पे सालों साल चलता रहेगा? जादू है क्या?
तो क्या करूं?
अरे यार, एगॉन रेडिगर की सलाह लो. कम इंश्योरेंस लेने की बीमारी है.
KILB.
हाँ, KILB से बचो और कॉल करो और जानो अपना सही इंश्योरेंस अमाउंट. KILB से बचो, आदत बदलो.
Watch the young guns of OMD take on their boss.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Devkar.
Tinaz from OMD.
Hi, I'm Sanchita Roy. Catch me quizzing my boss.
Jasmine Saurabh
On brand equity.
This week, only on ET Now.
Brought to you by Godrej Security Solutions. Be intelligent, be safe. Ultratech Cement. Engineer, keep us up. Hyundai. New thinking, new possibilities.
Guys.
ये मेहरबानी किस लिए?
अपने लिए बना रहा था तो
शर्ट चाहिए.
Look at your size.
परफ्यूम.
Boxes.
अबे तो बोल ना.
I was thinking अपने रिलायंस डिजिटल टीवी पे जो हमने रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स कलेक्ट किए ना, उसके बदले हम कुकरी वाला चैनल ले लेते. Hey, come on, yeah, guys.
Buy any Reliance Digital TV channel pack and earn reward points. Collect them and redeem them for any channel pack of your choice. Reliance.
बन गया भाव. देखिए क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है. और अभी क्या जनाब, जैसे जैसे बड़े होंगे, अरे इनकी डिमांड्स भी बढ़ेंगी. इसीलिए मैंने HDFC लाइफ का क्लिक टू प्रोटेक्ट ऑनलाइन प्लान लिया है, ताकि कल रहूं ना रहूं इसकी डिमांड्स पूरी होती रहे। अब मैं सर उठा के कह सकता हूँ आई लव माई फैमिली।